now see here referential integrity. So what is what is the primary key and what is a foreign key here in these two tables?
The GP is the primary key.
Yes, GB, doctor.
But in the other side, it's a foreign key.
Yeah. So GP, what is the GP?
Gross profit.
Gross profit. Okay, name it gross profit. So gross profit 1, 2, 3. Okay. So are they unique or not unique?
Unique in the first table.
Yeah, so it's a primary key. Okay, so it's the primary key. It's a unique. Okay, is it duplicated?
No.
No.
No, doctor.
No. Okay, right. So now this primary key, when we shift it to another patient primary key. Okay, right. So so for example, this is about the hospitals. GP is not the gross product. It's the GP, general practitioner. Okay, general practitioner means like the doctor basically. Okay, so when this primary key becomes like a foreign key in that one. Okay, so it becomes like a what you call it. So here I told you it can be repeated. You can repeat GP2, you can repeat GP1, but GP4 is not. Yeah, there is no GP4 here. Yeah, so this is error. You cannot. This is wrong over there, right? So that was the point. So here this is differential integrity is lost over there. So you cannot put that one, right? Point over here.
Again, doctor, please.
Okay. Since we told that the primary key should be unique, it should not be repeated and it should not be null, right? This is the entity integrity. Now when we shift this primary key as a foreign key into another table, so this here it can repeat, no problem. Why? Because it's a foreign key here, it's not a primary key over here, right?
Yes.
Why? Because one patient can be treated by the same doctor again and again, right? For other people, for example, for this patient GP2 is here. Okay, for this patient 213, this again he is visiting. It's fine, this is normal, right? So there are two different patients, but the doctor is the same for this one. So for this patient 8001, GP2 is there. For patient 8213, this is here. Okay, but for the patient 2001, this is GP4, but there is no GP4 in that one. Even GP4 doesn't exist. He is not hired in the in that what we call it, in that hospital.
It can't be referential integrity.
Yeah. So by this way, if I ask the patient number 2001, who is your doctor, he will say GP4. I will check in the primary key. I will say we don't have GP4. Let's suppose GP4 is Ahmed. Okay. If I ask, he say what is your doctor? He say Ahmed. If I see in this one, there is no Ahmed here.
There is no match between the foreign key and candidate key.
Exactly. But for example, if I say for example like GP2, what is the name of this doctor? Dr. Smith. Okay, so Dr. Smith is a doctor. Smith. Okay. Yeah. If I ask patient number 98001, who is your doctor? He will tell me GP2, which is Dr. Smith over there. It's okay.
Smith.
Yeah. For this one 98210, who is your doctor? The patient Raja will say my doctor is GP2, which is Smith. Fine, right? For 99024, who is your doctor? He is GP1, Dr. Raj over there. So for this one, referential integrity is okay, but this one is not acceptable. See why?
So doctor, the referential integrity will be in the foreign key in the patient table, except the GP4, because the last one it's wholly null, and it's one of the condition of the referential integrity.
Yeah, so null, you can keep the null, as we told that null is okay. Null is okay. Why? Because this is a new patient, and the administrator, they did not assign any doctor because doctors are busy. Okay, so it is not assigned. So what we do we put null. So when the nurses comes and ask the Owen, who is your doctor? He said I don't have, and I have not been assigned any doctor because all doctors are busy over there. So later on, instead of null, you can assign any GP1, G2, and 3 over there. But GP4 we cannot, because logically it is incorrect over there. By this way, we say that there is a problem of referential integrity.
Doctor.
Yes.
How we can fix GP4?
Just put null over there.
Just null.
Yeah, null.
Okay.
Null is acceptable. I told you that null is okay because GP4 is wrong. Who is GP4? Okay, right? But null is okay. Null is okay means it means there is no one has been assigned over there. But here you cannot put null here because it's a primary key. In the primary key we don't accept null. Okay, so null is Gunai Kabira here, right? So you cannot put the null over there.